Hi guys, today we're going to see how you can add your Instagram feed to your WordPress website. Let's say you have a website and you want to show your Instagram post on your site. You can do that easily by watching this video.
So after watching this video, you will be able to add your Instagram feed on different places like this. And anyone who clicks the post will be taken to your Instagram page where they can like and follow your page.
This way, you can promote your Instagram page on your website. So let's get started. I'm Brian from Website Learners and let's add our Instagram feed to our website. First, let's see the site where we want to add the Instagram feed. So here it is. This is the site which I built using WordPress. Now to add the Instagram feed to our site, we are going to do 4 steps. The first step is to install the Social Feed plugin. So to install the plugin, let's go to our WordPress dashboard.
Now go to Plugins and click Add New. Now here search for Social Feed and you will get this plugin. Now this is the plugin which will help us to add the Instagram feed to our website. So to install the plugin, let's click Install and then click Activate. So now we have successfully installed the plugin and you can see that we have a new item called Social Feed Gallery. So once you've installed the plugin, we can now go to step 2, which is to connect your Instagram account to this plugin. So to connect the Instagram account, let's go to Social Feed Gallery and click on Accounts. Now here, select the type of account you want to connect. If you don't have a business account and want to create a new one for your business, just click here. I'm going to connect my personal account. So let's click here. And it will take you to the Instagram login page. Now enter the login details of your Instagram account which you want to connect. So I'm going to enter my username and password and click login. Now if you click authorize, you can see that our Instagram account has been connected to the plugin. Once you have connected your Instagram account with the plugin, to add the Instagram feed to our site, we need to first create the feed. So next, let's go to step 3, which is to create your Instagram feed. So to create the feed, let's go to Feeds and click here. Now here, you need to select how you want to display the feed on your website. I'm going to select this one. Next, you need to enter the number of images you want to show on your site. Now if you want to display 3 images like this, just enter 3. And click Save. And then click Close. And as you can see, our feed has been created. Once you have created your Instagram feed, we can go to the final step, which is to add this Instagram feed to your website. So to add this feed to your site, you need to copy this code and paste it on the page where you want to display your Instagram images. So let's click here to copy the shortcode. Now you need to go to the page or post where you want to add this Instagram feed. As I want to add it to my home page, let's go to the home page and click Edit Page. Now scroll down to the place where you want to add your Instagram feed. Now to add your Instagram feed, just click the plus icon and click Shortcode. and you will get this field. Now here paste the shortcode which we have copied earlier. Now if you want to give a heading to your Instagram feed, again click the plus icon and click heading. And then enter the name you want. I am going to enter my Instagram ID. Once you've added the heading, just click update and your Instagram feed will be added to your website. Now if we go back to our website and click refresh, you can see that the Instagram feed has been added to our website. So this is how you can add your Instagram feed to your WordPress website. And now if you post anything new on your Instagram page, it will automatically be updated on your website.
Okay, now you know how you can add your Instagram feed to your website. But what if you want to add a particular Instagram post to your blog like this?
So next, let's see how you can add an Instagram post to your blog.
So to add the post, first we need to select the Instagram post which we need to add. So let's go to our Instagram page
and select the post which you want to add to your blog. I'm going to select this post. Now to add this post to our website, let's go to our site. Now go to blog and open the blog to which you want to add your post. And then click edit post. Now to add your Instagram post to this blog, just scroll down and click the plus icon. And then click Instagram blog. Now to add this post to your blog, just click here and click copy link. Now paste it here. And then click embed. Now as you can see, our Instagram post has been added. And here, you can change the position of the post. So let's click here. I'm going to move it to the right. So let's click here. And also you can click here to move your post to the top. So let's click here. Once you have added the post to your blog, click update and your Instagram post will be added to your blog. So let's see how it looks. Now if we click preview, you can see that our Instagram post has been added to our blog. Now if someone tries to click on this picture, it will take them to your Instagram page where they can follow your page. So this is how you can add your Instagram post to your blog. Now, let's say you want to show your Instagram feed on your sidebar like this. How do we do that? So next, let's see how you can add your feed to the sidebar of your website.
So to add the feed to the sidebar, first we need to create the feed we want. So to create the feed, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard
and click feed. Now as we did before, to create the feed, you need to select how you want to display your feed and the number of images you want to show. So here, I'm going to select Gallery View and enter the number of images you want to show. As I want to show 9 images, I'm going to enter 9 here. Once you have done that, click Save. And now, we've successfully created our feed. Once you have created the feed, next, let's add this feed to our sidebar. So to add the feed to the sidebar, let's go to Appearance and click Widgets. And it will take you to this page. Here you can see the sidebar of your website. Now to add the Instagram feed on your sidebar, just drag and drop the social feed gallery here. And then enter a title for your feed. I'm going to enter my Instagram ID. Now click here and select the feed which you created before. Once you have done that, click Save and then click Done. And the Instagram feed will be added to your sidebar. So now if we go back to our website and click Refresh, you can see that our Instagram feed has been added to the sidebar.
That's it, guys. So this is how you can add your Instagram feed to your WordPress website. Okay, now if you want to display your Instagram feed in this way,
you can do that by getting a premium version of the plugin. Using the premium plugin, you can also add multiple Instagram accounts to your website like this. And you can also add a particular hashtag to your Instagram feed like this. So just click the link below this video to check out these features. Now if you want to learn WordPress quickly, you can register for our WordPress course by clicking this link.
and also make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.